Nanoviews, a microscopic ball, may uncover protein secretion mysteries. This video is a creative derivative product from articles published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Nanoviews, a microscopic ball, may uncover protein secretion mysteries. Cells secrete a range of proteins such as antibodies and growth factors that affect human health, but some cells secrete more than one protein. Scientists struggle to establish links between genomes, transcriptomes, and functional outputs of cells for developing cell therapies. Cell therapy is about placing new and healthy cells into the body to replace the damaged ones and to modulate the function of the patient's cells through the expression of factors or direct interaction. It also helps to remove the disease-causing or dysfunctional cells using immune cells. Our scientists are working at the forefront of regenerative medicine to utilize cell therapy in halting and reversing diseases, restoring damaged organs, and curing many life-threatening conditions. Now, the question is, how our scientists can create an effective therapy if they are not able to identify which cells will produce the most therapeutically relevant protein? Researchers recently developed microscale hydrogel particles with subnanoliter cavities, nanoviews, that can hold only one cell. The subnanoliter cavities are approximately 35 micrometer in diameter and have ball-shaped structures. Nanoviews are tiny structures lined with gelatin and conjugated with antibodies specific to proteins of interest that may help to understand why some cells secrete more protein than others do. These nanoviews can measure protein secretion, transcriptome data, and surface markers from individual cells, allowing scientists to establish links between the genomes, transcriptomes, and functional outputs of cells. By using this approach, scientists can identify subpopulations of cells that secrete more beneficial proteins to develop cell therapies. This method is called secretion-encoded single-cell sequencing, SEQ-seq, and it enables one to identify a function of a cell and then select it. It can help to develop cell therapies and identify genes that control secretory states. It may be exploited for developing ways to modulate cellular secretion for treating different diseases. SEQ-seq works with methods for analyzing cell surface markers like flow cytometry and can fit through the channels of a single-cell RNA-seq platform without interfering with the normal sequencing process. These nanoviews can reveal molecular signatures associated with the secretion of the antibody immunoglobulin G, IgG, from B cells. Researchers are inspired to apply SEQ-seq to other therapeutically relevant cell types. It is important to explore this outcome in more depth to better understand the relationships between secreted proteins and their associated molecular signatures. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.